Hello everyone, welcome to this video. If you are searching for a Mastercam Post Processor, or if you want to download a Mastercam Post Processor for your CNC machine, you are in the right place. In this video, I will show you how to install a Mastercam Post Processor Collection, explain what post processors are, and how you can get official, tested Mastercam Post Processors for popular CNC machines and controllers. This video is useful for beginners, programmers, CNC operators, and manufacturing companies using Mastercam. What is a Mastercam Post Processor? A Mastercam Post Processor is a critical file that converts your CAM toolpaths into G-code that your CNC machine understands. Every CNC machine is different. Different machines use different controllers, such as Fanuc, Siemens, Haas, Okuma, Mitsubishi, Heidenhain, Syntec. Because of this, you must use the correct Mastercam Post Processor for your machine. If you use the wrong post processor, G-code may not generate, the machine may alarm, axis movements can be incorrect, tool changes and cycles may fail. That is why choosing the right Mastercam Post Processor is extremely important. Why this Mastercam Post Processor Collection? Many users search online for download Mastercam Post Processor, Mastercam Post Processor for Fanuc, Mastercam Post Processor for Siemens 840D, Mastercam Post Processor for Haas. The problem is that finding the correct post processor can be difficult and time-consuming. This Mastercam Post Processor Collection solves that problem. It is an all-in-one bundle that includes many popular and official Mastercam Post Processors for milling machines, lathe machines, mill turn machines, wire EDM machines, router machines. Instead of downloading individual post files, you can install everything at once. Controllers and machine types supported. This Mastercam Post Processor Collection supports popular CNC controllers, including Fanuc controllers for mill, lathe, and mill turn, Siemens 840D for 3-axis, 4-axis, and 5-axis machines, Haas VF and UMC series, Okuma OSP controls, Mitsubishi controls, Heidenhain controls, Syntec and other industrial controllers. These are official Mastercam-based post processors, not experimental or modified files. Mastercam version compatibility. This post processor collection is compatible with Mastercam X2 through X9 and Mastercam 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, and 2026. You can use it on new installations or existing Mastercam systems. Now let's talk about installation. The installation process is simple and beginner-friendly. Step 1. Run the Mastercam Post Processor Collection installer. Step 2. The installer automatically places all post processors into the correct Mastercam folders. Step 3. Open Mastercam and refresh machine types. Step 4. Select your machine, choose the required post processor, and start programming. No manual copying, no complex setup, no risk of missing files. How to verify installed post processors. After installation, you can verify the post processors by opening Mastercam, going to machine type, selecting mill, lathe, wire, or router, and checking the available post processors list. You can then load a test project and generate G-code to confirm everything is working correctly. Are these official Mastercam post processors? Yes, all post processors in this collection are official Mastercam-based post processors. They follow standard Mastercam structure and naming conventions, and are suitable for real production use. For machines that require custom logic, advanced kinematics, or special cycles, custom post configuration can be provided separately. Who should use this collection? This Mastercam Post Processor Collection is ideal for CNC programmers, manufacturing companies, job shops, CAM engineers, training centers, students learning Mastercam. If you work with multiple machines or controllers, this collection saves a lot of time. Need a specific Mastercam post processor? If you don't find an exact match for your machine, you can contact us. We can help with custom Mastercam post processors, 5-axis post processors, mill-turn post processors, machine simulation setup, post-testing and verification. How to download the Mastercam Post Processor Collection. If you want to download the Mastercam Post Processor Collection, or if you need help selecting the correct post processor for your machine, you can contact us using the details provided in the description. We provide worldwide remote support for Mastercam installation, post processors, and troubleshooting. If you searched for Mastercam Post Processor download, or if you are looking for a Mastercam Post Processor for Fanuc, Siemens, Haas, Okuma, or any other popular CNC controller, then this Mastercam Post Processor Collection is designed specifically to help you save time and avoid compatibility issues. Instead of searching the internet for individual post processors, this collection gives you access to many official and commonly used Mastercam post processors in one place, making it easier to start programming and generating correct G-code for your machine. Thank you for watching this video until the end. If this video helped you understand how to install Mastercam post processors, or helped you decide which post processor you need for your CNC machine, please support the channel by liking the video and subscribing. If you have any questions, face any errors, or need a specific Mastercam post processor for your machine or controller, feel free to contact us anytime. We provide professional support for post processor installation, configuration, testing, and troubleshooting, with worldwide remote assistance. All contact details are available in the description. Thanks again for watching, and see you in the next video.